everyone, Tracy here from Uniquely Creative, showing you what is in our new mini kit. It's called Doily. It's all about creativity feeding the soul, and it is beautiful. Now let's start with what's in the kit, starting with this cute little laser cut that says creativity with a couple of leaves, or feathers I should say. And this one is a little cut apart sheet with a whole bunch of nice sayings on it. Then this is the Doily stamp set. It's an acrylic stamp, which is great for mixed media, and that says creativity feeds the soul. Just trying to get it out of the light. I am filming inside today because it is cold and dark out there. Circle dot fade, what's it called? It's called dot fade stencil. I never know the names of our things. Very cute. And this one is just called Doily stencil, which is a gorgeous little like mandala. Next you've got the ideas book, the little mini book with a whole bunch of ideas. We had a whole bunch of our girls join us this month. So Farrell Taylor, very awesome mixed media artist. Tanya Tahalit Hamed, all the way over from England, did some beautiful cute little mixed media jobs for us. Rachel Dutko has done some great things for us, as well as Tammy Klinger. And Yvette Fanchuli, I never get Yvette's name right, I'm sorry Yvette. It's got some gorgeous scrapbooking ideas. And this one here is just amazing. So let me show you some of the other cards, some ideas that will be up on our blog in the coming weeks of things that you can do with these gorgeous stamps. So there's that card that was in the book. Some really cute ideas to make some really awesome cards. Fun, get your hands messy, and just really quick mixed media style cards. Aren't they fabulous? Love what the girls did. This is a stunning mixed media art journal page, and there'll be a blog post for this coming up. Rachel Dutko did this one. It is just amazing, and that's in that 8-inch Delusions, I think, art journal. It's gorgeous. And these are a couple of Tammy's beautiful layouts. I just love them. I love Tammy's work. If you don't follow her on Instagram, go on there and follow her. You'll be inspired every day. And she's used the doilies and the sayings in there. All about creativity. And then this is another one of Tammy's with the gorgeous stamps in there. She's also mixed it up with some of our feather dyes, and of course the ones that on the laser cut. I was going to say cut apart. The laser cut in there. So that is our new little mini. It is just $21. You cannot go wrong. Fabulous kit. It is available to pre-order from the 15th of July, shipping from the 20th. I really hope you enjoyed these gorgeous, vibrant ideas of things you can do with this mixed media mini kit, and go ahead and shop now. Afterpay is available on our website. Talk to you soon, guys. This is Tracy from Uniquely Creative. Bye.